Hi guys, it's William. Welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to show you how to make an amazing ice cream without an ice cream maker. And I'm going to put some lemon curd in it, and it will be my lemon meringue pie ice cream. Amazing. I don't need to say anything more except that this ice cream contains everything from a lemon pie. So you will have the lemon curd, so that's our lemon component. Then you have some biscuits for the crust, and then some meringue, of course, for a bit of crunch and also just to remind the flavors. And it's super easy to make, and you don't even need to use an ice cream machine. So let's get started. So I'm going to start off by making all of the ingredients that we're going to put in the ice cream filling at the end of the video to make it lemony and to make it taste like lemon meringue pie. So first of all, I'm going to make meringues. I do have a recipe and a video in French on my main channel where I show you how to make meringues, so that's why I'm not making them today. It's very easy. I'm going to put the list of ingredients down below for each of these recipes. And if you don't want to make meringues, of course, just buy them in the supermarket. You can find them pretty much everywhere in the US or the UK, at least. And so that's easy, and that's done for meringues. I made my amazing lemon curd. I just showed you how to make that in my YouTube channel, so you can find it in English. And of course, the recipe is amazing. I wouldn't share it with you otherwise. It's very thick and perfect for that ice cream. I also make biscuits, and I'm using the biscuits from my cinnamon roll cake recipe. I made cinnamon crunch crumbs, and I use them in my cake, and I'm going to use them today in this recipe too. You can of course use digestive biscuits or graham crackers or whatever you want. So now that the meringue, the lemon curd and the biscuits are done, we can finally move on to the ice cream filling, and I'm going to use a technique that you can pretty much find everywhere else in the internet, but it's very amazing and it's perfect when you don't want to use an ice cream maker. Here I am using some crème fraîche, which is French and delicious, but you can definitely use heavy cream or double cream for this recipe. I'm just going to add a touch of vanilla extract, and I'm going to beat this until smooth and until I have almost like a whipped cream consistency. Perfect. Now I'm going to add my sweetened condensed milk, and I'm going to pour it while mixing so that I still have that very whipped and light consistency. Amazing, so our filling is done. That's it, 3 ingredients. That was that simple. And now I'm going to add my ingredients in the bowl. So I'm going to start off by putting my biscuits. Then we can add the meringues. And as you can see, I'm mixing with my spatula before adding the lemon curd, just because I don't want my lemon curd to be mixed throughout the filling. I want some packets of lemon curd in my ice cream. So I'm going to add it now and mix very gently, and I don't want to overmix this. Okay, so I've put my ice cream mix in my container, and I'm going to add all of the ingredients that we put on the ice cream on top. That way we know exactly what is the taste of that ice cream, and also it looks super nice, especially if you serve it for friends or family. And that is how you make lemon meringue pie ice cream. So I'm going to put it in my freezer for about 4 to 6 hours. Overnight is always the best when it comes to ice cream, so I'm going to let it set overnight before making myself a nice scoop. And as you can see, it's amazing. The texture is just perfect. So that's it for today's video. As you can see, it was very easy to make this ice cream, especially because we don't need that special equipment, the ice cream maker. So please give this recipe a try, and please make your lemon curd yourself. My recipe is awesome and you have to try it. You can find all of the ingredients in the description box below down to this video. You can also find the social media where to find me, and I will see you next time for another amazing and sweet recipe. Bye!